G'day, just doing a quick video on an engine service upgrade. Got a Mazda 3 2 litre 2011 and we're just doing a full service on it, but I'll show you a little upgrade we can do with the engine oil filter. It'll actually save you money and make the whole filtering part of the engine better. So we've just drained the oil out of it and now we're just going to replace the filter. So there's the little dangler there, just hangs off the bottom of the motor. And you can see this one, it's about 9 centimetres, and the seal landing, the outer side's about 72 mil. Now I've measured the landing on the motor, the surface where that seal goes onto, it's between 60 and 80 mil. So even if the O-ring was a little bit smaller or a little bit bigger off another filter, it would still fit. What's important is the thread. The thread on these 3/4 UNF, 16 threads per inch. There it is, Z9. Z9 will replace the Z632 in a Mazda 3. It's got the same thread pitch and thread size, 3/4, 16 UNF, and if you have a look, the seal on that one's 70 mil. About the same. The only difference being, you can see that that one's about 14 centimetres height, and the whole diameter of the filter is about 95 instead of 75. So you've got a much bigger, more surface area and a bigger filter. The more engine oil you have in your motor, it'll run cooler, as well as you've got more filtering surface area there. Now, as well as these bigger ones being about half the price of those, I don't know how that works. If we work out the volume of each filter and we get there, pi r squared times the height, if we subtract the Z63 volume from the Z9, we find out how much the increase is, and then we divide that figure by the volume of the Z63 and multiply it by 100 to get the percentage, and we find that we get about 150% increase in the size of the filter. So as well as the filter element, the volume is slightly increased. You want to always have as much oil circulating in there. It'll keep your motor a lot cooler, as well as there'll be more surface area filtering your oil. There we go. The Z9's in there. You can see it fits in, no worries. The only issue that you've got is if the filter's sticking out too low, you could scrape it off. But you can see that one sits quite well up there. Anyway, I hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Look out for more videos that we make. Don't forget to throw us a beer if any of this information helps. Links in the description. Thank you for watching.